Hello and welcome back to another X-Ray Studios video, where today I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with Unity. Let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is open up your preferred browser and search Unity download. Then you're just going to click on the first link here that says download Unity. You're then going to click download Unity Hub. Once that's open and installed, Unity Hub Setup will open. You need to scroll through the terms of service, then hit I agree. Then you're going to pick where you want to store Unity Hub, then hit install. Once it's installed, Unity Hub will open. You won't have projects here like I do, because I've already used Unity. You're going to go to your Installs tab and then hit Add in this corner. Under the latest official releases section, click whatever version of Unity is at the top. This is the latest version of Unity that includes all the files and assets. You're going to hit next. Then you're going to have to select whatever platform you're developing for. So pretend I'm developing for iOS and Windows, I would select that. If you're developing for Android like me, you need to check Android build support and these two down here. Then hit next and it'll install. Once it's installed, click on the Projects tab. And then next to the new button, there's a little arrow. Click it and select your version of Unity. Then name your project and pick where you want to store it. The last thing you need to do is pick a template. If you're developing a 2D game, I recommend picking the 2D template. Same with 3D. This is so the Unity editor is more suited to what you're developing. Then you need to hit Create. Once it's done, Unity will open. That's all for today. If you're new to this channel, please check out the rest of it. So goodbye, I guess.